We now have a live hands-on leak for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, confirming the new feature that we were all hoping to see. So, before we go into the hands-on unveiling, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has appeared on Geekbench 6. It received a single-core score of 1845 and a multiple score of 5083, which can increase with more optimization, but they're solid numbers and pretty much what we'd expect from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Apart from the availability of 12GB RAM, it doesn't really corroborate anything else. Now we've also got the complete specifications leaked by Snoopy Tech on Twitter, and he verifies that the prior information we've received is true. So that's a 7.6-inch 120Hz internal display, with a resolution of 2176 by 1812. We want a 6.2-inch 120Hz exterior display with a resolution of 2316 by 904. We get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of storage, all driven by a 4400 mAh battery, and it runs One UI 5.1.1. We have a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a 5-megapixel under-display camera and a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. We have a tweet from Ice Universe, and he confirms that, unlike early speculations, the Z Fold 5 does not have a crease in the middle. Samsung was unable to address this, and it will remain apparent. With the new water drop type hinge, there should be some improvements to the crease, but it will still be evident. We've also received further bad news from Ice Universe, who claims that the Z Fold 5 does not fulfill the IP58 standard, which implies it will not be dust-proof and will maintain its IPX8 water-resistant certification. Finally, before we go into the hands-on, we have excellent news. The Z Fold 5 will be cheaper than its predecessor, according to Lika Ravignas, while the Flip will remain the same price. The Z Fold 5 price is likely to reduce by up to $100 compared to last year, implying that the Z Fold 5 might start at $1,699. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.